nectar for making honey.
Are bees normally that loud?
I don't think so.
Whoa!
Marvelous mollusks!
What is that?
That is a honeybee swarm. It's the first time I've ever seen one.
There's hundreds of them.
Actually, probably thousands. Don't worry. As long as we keep our distance, we'll be fine. They have an important job to do. They're looking for a new home. Bees live in a nest called a colony with a queen bee. And when it gets too crowded, some of them leave and follow the queen to start a new colony.
What about the ones who are left behind?
Well, they have a new queen bee, and she keeps the old colony going. Isn't it a wonderful sight? They all have different jobs, but they all work together, just like a team.
Why do they all stick so closely together?
See there? The one they're all following?
Uh-huh.
That's the queen bee. There's only one queen bee. She's the boss of the whole colony.
She's bigger than the rest. And she's got a black spot on her back.
Well spotted, shipmate. Then there's the drones, the male bees. They keep the bee population growing by helping a queen bee make eggs for new bees. Most of the bees are the worker bees. These are the female bees.
They're the smallest.
They may be, but they have lots of important jobs on the team. Building and cleaning the nest, or going out and finding the best flowers with the most nectar for making honey.
That is a lot of chores. No wonder they're so buzzy.
They're very hard-working shipmates, and they're the only bees you'll see outside the nest. So, whenever we see a bee in the garden, it's a worker bee.
Like this one.